let's see how this works. Greetings, Mike, N3MFL, Tortoise Overland, and today I finally got HF in the old Tortoise Mobile. It's been an interesting afternoon, but I've got things straightened out. Check it out. Look at this. I've got HF in the mobile, and this is N5YVY. He helped me out with this. Just gave me an idea. So for grins and giggles, what the hell? I figured I'd just throw it together. And I've got my SDS 200 up here, and we'll go in the back seat. And there is the 891, and there's the mount for the FTM 500. And my power, check this out. Yeah, buddy, look at that. I love having 200 amp hours of battery in my truck. Can run radio all day long. So, this has been fun. This has been real. It has not been real fun today, but peace. And N3MFL, Tortoise Overland, 7 3s.